What's going on, world? It's your boy Carbonate. Welcome back to Epic Whipz, man. And today I'm going to attempt to put this rear bumper on the 8, man. And I also got Strut Bar. There it is. And something else in this package. But this is going to be the main objective for today. I don't know how it's going to come out, but the front bumper came out pretty well. I didn't have to do that much, adjustments to it, or fabrications, you can say. So hopefully the rear bumper is about the same. We don't know yet until we try it out. So let's get to it, mates. Without further ado, let's make it epic. So got the Megan Racing, however you want to pronounce it. I actually like how these are gray, and it goes with my AM intake. Hey, check me out, mate. Check me out, mate. Right. So, literally, gonna take this bad boy off and put this one on, mate. Let's do it. Okay, so you got it. This off. Boom, boom. Put these on. These are just finger tight. They're not to specifications yet. Got that on. Boom, boom, boom. And boom, we are done. Check me out, mate. Looks very nice. I like it. It goes well with the engine bay, I must say. Cool. Alright, so got that bad boy in there. Just use a 10. Get it in, get it out. Bada bing, bada boom. Got this up here. Now, I know that this says right, but I'm pretty sure it goes on this side. Because I think they probably make it face like you're facing outward, But anyway, so boom, put that on. To the other side. Bam. Boom. Alright. Now we're still holding it. Let's see. Alright, okay. That's high. Big difference. So, took out the lights. Bada bing, bada boom. Because you gotta take these out. Bam. Bam right there on both sides. So, jacked it up obviously as well. Because you gotta take this off. This piece that goes pretty much right here. So we can get to the screw right up here. we have to get to. So I have to do the other side. So you got the bumper up, but there are a couple things you want to look out for. So underneath, you got this one, possibly this one, and there's another one here. So if you want to know, it's literally at the bottom here. So mine just had some zip ties on it, so yeah, took that off. Let me show you where it's connected to. Pretty much connects this right here. Also, your light for your license plate, you know, that just literally just pulls out. So, boom, and there you have it, right? Now, what I'm gonna do, possibly clean this, and then fit the new one on, see how that works. All right, so this was not easy. This was not like the front bumper whatsoever, but we did the best that we could. So just had to do some fabrication. Obviously, we had to drill some holes or put those in. Obviously, the holes that's in there, but as you can see, that's like that. So I had to cut this. So I had to do in order for it to fit, and it wouldn't fit inside there. It just wouldn't fit inside there. So I'm gonna have to figure something out just to get something to hold it right there. And I think that's a lot better than that. So that's just one thing. And obviously the other side is pretty much the same way. So as you can see. So once I do that, it'll be a lot better. So, but yeah, didn't hook anything up at the bottom. Gonna see how it runs. I don't like that. I'm gonna have to figure that out, because that's gonna be shaking like crazy when you drive it. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna have to find something to hook up at the bottom here. I'll figure that out later.